Oh.
I meant to go on my feet.
Show me all your tricks. Oh.
I meant to do. I keep on stuck doing it. I did it.
You did it. Oh.
I almost did it.
Now try to do a flip for me. Go way over there though. Over there to the edge. All right, do a flip for Mama. A front flip. Now go over.
I'm gonna go back flip.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, good job.
I meant to go backwards. I have to be straight.
Oh. Now do a front flip again. Just try it.
I didn't.
We crashed. Now make that sock monkey beat you up. Oh, he got you. Do it again. Oh. Flying monkeys. Trampoline.
One fell, then bumped his head. Called the doctor said, monkey's jumping on the bed.
I only see 2 monkeys.
No, you're another monkey.
So 3 monkeys?
Yeah. These little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell, then bumped his head. Called the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. No more monkeys jumping on the bed.